where is LIFW going next, and should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on MSP Recovery stock? We're sitting at 20 cents right now, and today we're 237% up. This is absolutely mental what's happening with this thing right now. And to do all of this technical analysis, I'm going to use my strategy that has previously gotten me 400 plus wins in the last 7 months, doing all kinds of ticker symbols and everything. And let's see what we're going to see right here. So, again, this is a huge disclaimer. This is just my perspective and opinion. Okay, I've made 12,500 videos. So, yeah, I've tested every single strategy that you could think of in the last 3 years. So, I'm using something that has worked for me. Looking at it from a broader perspective, this thing is definitely in a very big bearish trend. So first rule, negative, right? Bearish starting from this high. And if we start to break this high, yeah, maybe we could start to consider upside moves. But for me, this is a huge kind of pump right now that I'm not going to say dump, but still going to stay away from it, right? Mainly because this stuff happens all the time. We kind of have huge pumps like this. And I don't know where, bam, they just like kind of, okay, liquidate all the people that are shorting, their stop losses above here, bam, the funds liquidate them all, they make money, they continue to bring their positions to the break even, right? Day in and day out, right? So what's my opinion right now on LIFW? I mean, short term, I could definitely say that I'm kind of expecting something like this, maybe, but kind of long terms to continue, maybe fill in the gap and maybe even break the lows. This is kind of my outlook. This is very deep, right? Just for me, actually happening, seeing this like hundreds of times. But again, this is just my opinion and perspective. Now, if you want to learn my strategy and everything, check out the first link in the description for free.